Chiropractics for everyone.
Tell me about it. Like, what parts of your body feel stiff or sore or...
I work out a lot, like regularly, like strength programs. So I feel like all of my like tension is like just in my shoulders all the time. Something's off. Like eventually I'm gonna need to like go to PT for whatever's going on in my shoulders.
Do you feel it more when you're lifting and working out, or do you feel it afterwards?
I feel it after. It's like this one side of my shoulder. It just feels like it's like pulling in the wrong direction. I started lifting like 10 years ago. I only started doing like strength programs, that kind of thing, maybe like 5-6 years ago. It's usually like 1 or 2 a week. Like it doesn't hurt every day.
Do you stretch?
Mm-hmm. Before workouts. I was like never super consistent with it until we moved to Florida a few years ago. And like hot yoga is just like way more popular down there. And that changed my life. Like my shoulders weren't clicking the same way.
Any ankle or knee issues?
This past like weight training program that we did, I started to get knee pain on this side. I'm so excited.
Looking at the feet first, just a little bit of maybe some eversion, supination, just a little bit of an asymmetry on the left hip. You can see it during the swing phase. We have a high left shoulder, a high right hip, a high right ear, high right mastoid process, high right shoulder. Arm swing is symmetrical. No genu varum, no genu valgum. This left arch is decreased comparatively. Just a slight bowing on this left. Is that tender?
Yeah.
Less on this side. It does point the pronation, then connects to the hip on the left. A lot of heat coming off the top of your shoulders right here. Nice and symmetrical all the way up and down through the spine though. Your muscles are definitely working harder here. We just have a mild flattening of your thoracic curvature right here. This right trap is tight. This rhomboid over here is tight. Left or right, which one do you feel more?
Left.
Right or left, which is more tender?
Right.
I want to look at your gluteal cleft now. This tells us which way the sacrum is tilted. Yours is straight up and down. Bring your chin down to your chest. Which side feels more restricted to you? Going this way, now you feel it over here. I'm going to trace up to the bottom of the glute fold here. Yours is lower on the right. That means your right hip is back like this. Looking from the top here, the right glute is accentuated significantly. Your pelvis is torqued, both sides in opposing directions. Now in the standing position, it's curving off to the left. Your sacrum is slightly off to the left like this. One thumb on the PSIS here, one thumb on the sacrum. Bend forward and touch your toes. Go back up. The left side is moving. Right side, go ahead. Right side is not moving. This is probably the side that cracks too much and cracks by itself. And then the right side is the one that may crack by itself, at least part of the joint, but part of it's also really stuck. There's a lot more tension in this upper thoracic area. Right, left.
Left.
Pain or discomfort when I push here?
Yeah.
L4. Left, right.
Left.
Left or right?
Right.
This L4 is going to the right, right, left.
Left.
Turned, rotated that way, and then it's torqued in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is the most tender?
The first one on the left.
Here? That indicates T1, 2, and T10. What does it feel like?
Just pain.
When the redness comes out, it's telling us that we're busting up a lot of adhesions that are intertwined in the capillaries. Terrible? As you're breathing out, I'm going to follow your breath like this, and at the end of your breath, we're going to push like that. Nice and gentle. Let's do the same thing. Deep breath in. Now let the shoulders sink in. Gentle, gentle, gentle.
Oh, that's nice.
Right leg. Left. The left lumbar is lagging. I'm going to adjust that lumbar segment here, okay? Then I'm going to adjust the hip. As you breathe out, I'm going to stretch your shoulders up like this and bring your hips down like this, and then we push in that direction, okay? Mm-hmm. Deep breath in and out. I'm going to bring the hip down and the shoulders up like this.
That's great.
Turn your head to the right. Turn your head to the left. Now bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Left ear. Nice and gentle. Sink in.
Ooh.
Nice and gentle breathing. Sinking in. That was a little bit off. One more time. Breathing.
Oh my god.
Squeeze my fist between your...
Oh my god.
The digestive organ manipulation starts with the ileocecal valve. This is the window between the large and the small intestine. We locate it by first finding the belly button. Yours is probably here. ASIS is here in front of the hip bone. We connect these 2 points. This is where we begin looking. Did you have a good breakfast today? Mm-hmm. It's all right here. I can feel it working right now, so we'll leave it alone. Next is the pyloric sphincter. Feels pretty good. Last one is the diaphragm. Belly breathing into your belly. Good. Nice and gentle. Breath in and out.
Oh my god.
Feel it all the way down?
Yeah. My shoulders definitely feel more loose.
Left or right is one more tender than the other.
Left.
I'm going to place my hand underneath your arm and on top of the rib cage here. Let your arms down and relax. Lean your head back on me. Left, right, or even?
Left.
Let your head relax and shoulders relax too. One more. Right here, do you feel it left?
Not as much.